just seen a pigeon outside my window, and I'm going to shoot it with my Nerf gun. Here it goes. Hit it! Yes!